Hey guys, it's Matt, co-founder of Wagmi Labs, and this is the first episode of the tutorials on how to use our trading hub. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is connect our wallet to be able to access the platform. Once connected, we have to accept the terms and conditions and sign in. When signing in, we'll get redirected to the main page, which is the trending section. And the first thing we can see is we have live trending, minting, and ranking collection leaderboards. The trending collection leaderboard basically shows the collections with the most amount of sales in the selected time frame. The time frames we have are 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 12 hours, 1 day, and 7 days. So as you can see, changing the time frame, the list changes as well. The minting section instead shows the top collections with the most mints in the selected time frame, and the ranking leaderboard shows the collections with the most volume in terms of Ethereum in the selected time frame. Then we have our owned section, where we basically have a leaderboard of information about collections that we own. So for example, these are some of the collections that are in this wallet, and it's going to show me a series of stats about them to be able to track your holdings. After that, we have the watch list, where we can add collections we want to keep an eye on. To do that, we're going to have to press the star icon in the collection section. The stats in the watch list section can be filtered for 24 hours, 7 days, and 30 days. On the footer, so this section here, we have a few things we can do as well. First thing, we can choose our gas preset if we want it to be instant. Instant has a 2.5 Gwei priority fee, fast has a 1.5, and standard is 1. And then we have custom, where you can set max fee and max priority fee, and then save. For now, I want to keep it on fast. Here we have the block number. Here we have the current Gwei price. Here we have the current ETH price. If we click on it, it's going to bring us to trading view chart. On the other side instead, we have legal instructions manual, where you'll be able to find all the documentation about this product, our Discord, and our Twitter. Other than that, up top, we have our cart, where we'll be able to add items to the cart and buy them. We have our wallet, where we'll be able to track our ERC20 tokens. This is the total balance. Below we can swap tokens using the Uniswap built-in feature. And here we have the list of our ERC20 holdings. Up top we can press on our address to copy it to clipboard, or click on the top address to bring us to Etherscan. To search for a collection, simply click the search collection bar and type in any collection you want to find. That's it for this first tutorial. See you in the next lesson.